Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh from TeraFlex, and if any of you have a 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK or JKU and are looking to lift it just a couple of inches, one of the best kits we have on our website at TeraFlexOffroad.com is this TeraFlex 2.5-inch lift kit. So for you do-it-yourselfers, this is probably one of the best kits that we have on our website at TeraFlexOffroad.com. For $570, this kit's going to come with your 2.5-inch lift coil springs. It's going to have your extended sway bar links, your extended bump stops. It's going to have your rear track bar bracket, and then it's going to have your front shock extenders and your rear shock extenders, so you can utilize your pre-existing shocks that are already on your Jeep. So it's a very good kit for anybody that's looking to not break the bank and lift their Jeep a couple of inches. So with that said, we're going to go ahead and we're going to get this kit installed in this Jeep Wrangler JKU that you see behind me here. So let's go. Now, our customer decided to opt with a set of 33-inch 1050s on 17-inch wheels, but with this TeraFlex 2.5-inch kit, you can go up to 35-inch tires on a JKU or a JK, and then if it was a Rubicon, you could go up to 37-inch tires with this kit. So here you can see we have the coil springs already put in there. We have the shock extensions already put in there, which with these stock shocks, that is one disadvantage. If you don't upgrade to a new set of shocks that are a little bit longer, the stock shocks will limit your ability to flex out on the trail. This kit is great if you're a weekend warrior, you're doing some off-roading, but if you're looking to get into a little bit more hardcore off-roading, you'll want to get the kit that includes the extended shocks with it. So, but for the price and $570, it's a heck of a super good deal for a 2.5-inch kit. So you can see here, shock extenders, we have the coil already in there, which Blair had just put in, and then we also have their extended bump stops for the front. So you're going to want that extended bump stop in there as well, because if you are hitting some big jumps and you're coming down heavy, if you don't have those extended bump stops in there, your tire, especially if you're running 35s, is basically just going to jam up into your fenders or while you're flexing out on the trail. So let's go ahead and let's go check out the back axle. And as long as you got a decent jack and some jack stands or a lift, and you can get your Jeep high enough off the ground, this kit is pretty easy to install. It's rated for about 4 hours of install. So you have your coil springs, you have your shock extenders, you have your rear sway bar links that are extended a little bit longer for the back axle, and then your track arm bracket. So it's really not too hard to install. Back axle, you get your coil springs, of course, coil spring retainers, you get your track bar bracket, you get the shock extenders. So that's about it for the back axle. So after this, we're going to throw the tires on and we're going to go take it for a spin and show you guys the final product. Let's go. So the kit is, for the most part, pretty easy to install. Like I said before, with a good set of jack stands and a jack, you can lift the body up, take the tires off, drop the axles down so you can get those coil springs out. So one of the things that can be just a little bit tricky is getting these bump stop extenders up into their cavity. Might need just a dab of grease around here to let that slide in there a little bit easier. So that is a little bit tricky. And then the other thing is the bolt for the track arm, for the front track arm on the axle here. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to, before putting that bolt back in, you're going to want to put the tires on, take the weight of the vehicle, put it on the axles, and then you'll be able to line that hole up with that bolt for the track arm on the axle side. So if it still doesn't line up and you have the weight of the Jeep on the front axle, on the front suspension, then you still may have to wiggle the steering wheel a little bit and have a buddy maybe put the bolt in for you, or vice versa. But those are probably the most difficult or the trickier things to installing this suspension. But besides that, it's all relatively pretty simple. And TeraFlex does a really nice job at including some pretty descriptive instructions with their kit, with illustrations on them. So you'll have plenty of good instructions along with the kit to walk you through the whole install process. So again, let's go throw some tires on this thing. Let's go take it for a drive and see how it does. Let's go. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got these ridge grapplers on. We have these these are the coverts on. These are 18s. These tires, the ridge grapplers, are 275/70 18s. So this package here runs roughly about 2,100 bucks. So we got those on. We got the track arm bolt bracket in. That's all good to go. So we're all buttoned up. So if you guys are looking for a really good priced, good wheel and tire combo, suspension lift with the TeraFlex, all in, you're looking at about 3,000 bucks. So heck of a deal. You can find all that right on trailbuiltoffroad.com. So if you guys are looking for anything like this, you have any questions, just let us know in the comments below. And of course, as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys back again shortly.